welcome and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new to this channel, my name is Crystal and I create content mostly related to food. I love to travel and discover different restaurants and share them with you guys. For the time being, traveling is still a bit restricted, so I thought I would take this chance and create this what I eat in a week vlogs. I wanted to dedicate each week to a specific country so that we can explore authentic recipes all together and pretend we're in that country. It is 3 p.m. right now. I am starving, so I wanted to make this Korean street food called Tteokbokki. It's a type of rice cake. I used to eat that on the street in Korea all the time, and let's recreate this together.
뻔한 얘기지만 널 보면 그냥 좋아.
고추장, soy sauce, corn syrup, plum sauce, just a little bit.
변치 말자 너와 나. 아름다운 그대여. I just feel so lucky.
I haven't had tteokbokki for so long. I think this time I put a bit too much gochugaru, which is chili powder, so it's very spicy, but I still love it. I normally eat it as a snack and have iced coffee together with tteokbokki, but it's your choice. You can eat however you like, but that's the way I like it. So I'm on my way to get my eyelash extension done. I found this super cute shop near A10 Center, and then afterwards I wanted to get some Korean groceries in H Mart and meet some friends in the park. I haven't seen them for a long time, so it's gonna be super nice to hang out with them.
맛있는 시사를 시작합니다.
5일 작정해야 되거든? 근데 너 나도 너랑
So I got a kimbap from H-Mart yesterday, and today I want to be extra festive. I wanted to make japchae to go with my kimbap and maybe make some sundubu together with it. Now let's make japchae. That's some boiled spinach. So I'm gonna add some soy sauce, sesame oil, sesame seeds, I think the whole set you can make it vegetarian. Just take out the eggs and don't use the seafood broth that I use. Yeah, it's very time consuming, but I think it's worth it. 반갑 만나서 반갑습니다.
Yeah. 만나서 반갑습니다.
만나서 반갑습니다. Today I want to try the recipe for Budae jjigae, which is Korean army stew. It's very unhealthy, but I've been craving it for a long time. So let's just make it for the weekend. Why not? For the sauce, we're gonna have gochujang, Korean chili flakes, gochugaru. Don't put too much like I did last time. Soy sauce. I like to put a little bit mirin, a little bit of doenjang, teaspoon of minced garlic. I like a lot of garlic. And a little bit of sugar. Then paste. Normally people like to put cheese on top as well. Personally, I prefer to have the original taste and I like to eat this pickle. So So that's the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoy this content and please don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like that, or if you want to see foodie travel videos, I'll make sure those are coming as well. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
모르겠어요. 일단은 미용만 들어가지고.
My old lovers fall into my covers where they sink one by one.